How can I access and restore my hidden photos from iCloud backup?
Hey there! Welcome to this video tutorial on how to access and restore your hidden photos from an iCloud backup. If you've accidentally hidden some precious memories or lost access to your photos, don't worry, I'll guide you through the process step by step. Let's get started.
Accessing iCloud backup.
To access your hidden photos, the first thing you'll need to do is restore your device from an iCloud backup. Here's how you can do it. 1. On your iOS device, go to Settings. 2. Tap on your name at the top of the Settings menu. 3. Select iCloud from the list of options. 4. Scroll down and tap on iCloud Backup. 5. Make sure that iCloud Backup is turned on. If not, toggle the switch to enable it. 6. Tap on Backup Now to create a new backup if you haven't done so recently. Once you've created a backup or made sure that a recent backup exists, you're ready to proceed to the next section.
Restoring hidden photos from iCloud backup.
Now that you have a recent iCloud backup, you can restore your device to recover your hidden photos. Follow these steps. 1. On your iOS device, go to Settings. 2. Tap on your name at the top of the Settings menu. 3. Select General from the list of options. 4. Scroll down and tap on Reset. 5. Choose Erase All Content and Settings. Don't worry, this won't delete your iCloud backup. 6. Follow the prompts and enter your device passcode if requested. 7. When prompted, select Restore from iCloud Backup. 8. Sign in to your iCloud account using your Apple ID and password. 9. Choose the most recent backup that contains the hidden photos you want to restore. Your device will now begin restoring from the selected iCloud backup. This process may take some time, so make sure your device is connected to Wi-Fi and plugged into a power source to ensure a successful restoration.
Accessing restored hidden photos.
Once the restoration process is complete, your device will restart, and you'll be able to access your restored hidden photos. Here's how you can find them. 1. Open the Photos app on your device. 2. Tap on the Albums tab at the bottom of the screen. 3. Scroll down and look for the hidden album. 4. Tap on the hidden album to view all the restored hidden photos. Congratulations! You've successfully accessed and restored your hidden photos from an iCloud backup. That's it for this tutorial on how to access and restore hidden photos from iCloud backup. Remember, if you accidentally hide photos in the future, you can always follow these steps to retrieve them from your iCloud backup. I hope this video was helpful to you. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.